wabarakatuh. I can't thank you enough, dear my God, for coloring my days with your love and affection. Even you have completed my life by sending me great people around me to empower me to undergo this life wherever and whenever. Such a big honor to be here to thank you, Mr. Khaled Ocean, and all my teachers at BC for supervising my progress especially. And I appreciate deeply to our MC and all functionaries and committee today for this change. And let me take this moment to invite you all to explore more about learning for a better future. We all know that life is always changing. The world today is very different from the world yesterday. Technology, science, even the way people live are always moving forward. If we stop learning, guys, we will be left behind. So that's why learning is not only for students. Learning is for everyone, every day and everywhere. Have you known, guys? Learning doesn't always mean read thick books or passing big exam. Learning can be simple. When we try to listen advice from our parents, there is learning. When we try to understand new skill, like using computer or speaking English everywhere, there is learning. Even when we make mistake and try again, we are still learning. Then I have a simple question. Why do we learn? You can think it first. Why do you learn? Maybe I have a point for you all. For the answer is simple. Because we want a better future, right? With knowledge, we can get better decision. With skill, we can get better jobs. With wisdom, we can live better life. So, learning, include to education, opens door that we never imagined before. But remember, guys, learning is not always easy. Sometimes it feels boring. Is it right? Sometimes it feels so hard. Sometimes we want to give up. At that moment, we must remind ourselves of our dream. Because a strong dream will give us power to continue learning. So my friends, let us make learning a habit. Let us read more, ask more questions, and never be afraid to try new things. Because the effort we make today will give us brighter tomorrow. In the end, my final statement, learning is about preparing ourselves to face life, to help others, and to create a future full of hope. Do you ever think about learning, guys, for your future? What do you think about it? Do you agree with me about my final statement? For learning is to face life, to help others, and to create future full of hope. You have hope. Your parents wish to you because one of their expectation is to you. One of their expectation are to you. For my final statement, I invite you also agree with me that to be today, to be here is not instant. Because why? Because we learn everything from basic. If you never go, you will never know. Try to go and you will know, guys. Thank you very much for your best 5 minutes. Here, I'm Zuri. I would like to say see you guys and Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.